Good morning, traders. Good afternoon, wherever you are. I welcome back to you to Rev Daily Traders. Who's speaking? It's Zweli. As I promised you Sunday that I'm going to give you an update on Wednesday. This is your update and to see how the market is unfolding. This is our follow-up since we published the weekly outlook on Sunday. Okay, so now what we are expecting, we're going to show you the trades that we took, going to show you the trades that are coming. Okay, what to look for today up until Friday. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, guys, and click that notification bell so that you can get this kind of videos when we publish. Don't miss any kind of videos that we're going to give you. Okay, so now we're going to start with gold and start on 4-hour time frame. We're going to give you the shorter time frames, okay, only. Right, guys? Right, at the current state, we did have the price to give us. We're expecting the price to go down. Okay, let me change the color so that you can. Let me make it white. Yeah, I think white will be better. Hope you're seeing that white. Okay, we took the short sell here, okay, because we took it from this roof. Okay, so we took our profit, expecting after breaking this floor we're going to get the buys. Okay, so on lower time frame there were buys that we were taking from the low. Okay, so if you can go to a lower time frame, because we are expecting, we are still biased to upside to come and expose this roof. Okay, so if you can go to a lower time frame, 1 hour, you can see this is our sell that we took. Okay, we expected this to break the floor and make a new floor. Okay, then we got this impulse 1, 2, 3. This is a pattern that we know for buy. Okay, so we took our buys from here. We have a limit there. Okay, then put your stop behind here so that you can take this buy. Okay, then if you going to miss this kind of trades, while then you expect the price to give you, I will show you the price to give you a impulse here to break here, a retest correction here, then you can look the price to expose that roof. Okay, so we are still biased to upside on gold. Look for any buy on gold. Then if you are looking for sell, we'll be watching closely this move. Okay, if you're going to get a reversal here, a reversal candle, then we'll be looking for a short sell again to come and expose this floor. Okay, closely to this floor, then we'll be looking for our buys again. Okay, so watch closely how the price is going to react here. If you take the buy here, you take the buy from here, then you should manage your trade while on lower time frame and see how the market is going to behave. Okay, then if it's going to break here, you can put the stop loss to break even and let the market to unfold. You'll be expecting a retest here, then go again. Okay, so do trade well on gold, guys. Okay, don't forget to share our video and do comment below, guys, if you like us to give you an update after a week outlook on weekends. We can give you also on Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, two videos per week. So do comment below and don't forget to like what we are doing if you find this interesting. Okay, and don't forget to share our videos, guys. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be silver. Right, on silver on 4-hour time frame and see how the market is unfolding. Okay, we did take a buy here, but we came out with a break-even trade. Okay, then we saw that, okay, this is 1, 2, 3. Then we took our sell, come and break, similar to gold. come and break this floor and make a new floor, then we'll be looking for our buys again there. So we did get those moves correctly. Okay, so on lower time frame, what next now? On lower time frame, there was a buy here. Okay, if you took the buy from here or from these lows, then you should do manage your trade while we're expecting the price to break and give a retest or a correction here, break again, give us a retest, then come and expose this roof. Okay, then we'll be completing this 1 2 3. Okay, this 1 2 3 for us to go down. Okay, but we'll update you when the price comes here. But for now, this is your trade. This buy, it's your trade. You should be looking for that trade. Okay, so we are still biased to upside on silver. We're not seeing any kind of sell at the current moment. Okay, do trade well on silver. Then we'll go to DXY. Right, on DXY, if you remember, we're looking for this kind of correction for us to go down, okay? Or for the price to come here, then go down again. So what's next now on DXY? What you need to watch for? There's a sell that is coming here, okay? On lower time frame, you can look for a good signal that's going to give you. Then you can take the trade, okay? You can take also here, put your limit, put your stop behind, then this is your trade. We are looking for sell setups on DXY. There's no buy at the current state, but if you see the price come and break here, then become a floor here, we'll be expecting to expose this roof again, then it down again. This will be a bigger correction, okay? So we'll be expecting a retest from this zone to give you a buy, or you'll be looking for at the current state moment price, you'll be looking for a sell setup, okay? Here, it's either you're using a engulfing pin bar or any kind of signal that you're going to use, or in lower time frame, 15 minutes. If you are a impulse correction trader, then this is your impulse correction and you can take the trade, okay? Watch a flag above there, then watch a breakout here to take a trade, another trade, okay? But if this breaks here, give a support for you to buy. You'll be expecting the buy to come there, okay? So do trade well on DXY, guys. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be Euro USD. Then Euro USD also is giving us a correction here, a clear correction after breaking out this impulse, okay? Then we'll be watching closely to respect our zone here, okay? Our floor. Many touches here we got, so we'll be expecting a buy from this floor, then a buy again above here, okay? Put your stop behind here, then this is your trade that you are looking for. So you'll be biased to upside on Euro USD, okay, guys? Then if the price again similar to DXY, if the price come and break, we'll be expecting a retest here, then a drop, then this will be your correction also for you to look for buys around this zone, okay? So do trade well on Euro USD. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be pound dollar. Right, on pound dollar, it went according, guys. If you remember, on Sunday, we were looking for this to drop, okay? After getting this kind of correction, a drop, then we got a pattern, a good pattern. That was our signal that shows that we are heading for upside, guys. So we got our buys from this low for us to take the upside, okay? Then now what you need to do, if you are not in this buy, if you miss this buy, expect this to come and take this floor, then look for similar setup, okay? Impulse correction, then go, okay? Because this should be a correction for you to go upside. Okay, so we'll be looking for buys or setups from this floor. So we can let these two play here, then look for buys from this floor for you to take the buys. So we are not seeing any deeper pullback on pound dollar. Okay, if this is going to give you a correction, come and take this floor. Also, we're going to look for our buy setups here. So we are still biased to upside on pound dollar. Then if it's going to break here, it must come and retest this zone, okay, the blue area, then watch for it to expose the floor again. Okay, so we'll be cautious if this is going to happen. We'll be taking the sell, but we are biased to upside, guys. We are biased to upside on pound dollar. Right, we're going to our next pair, that will be NZD USD. Right, also guys, we got a good trade. Remember, I said look for a correction to come and take this zone. So we got a double bottom here. Then we got our trades setups there. Okay. Then again, it broke our levels here for you to continue upside. Okay. This was our TP. We are not greedy at the market. We go according to our strategy. Okay. So what next now? The buy is coming again. Okay. Look for buy setups again. Look for buy setup. We're expecting this zone to be respected by the market. Okay. Any kind of setup that you're going to get, you can take it. Okay. The price also, if you're going to miss this zone, expect a buy limit here. You can put your limit there, put a stop behind here. Okay. Then what we are expecting the price to come and expose this roof. Okay. Expecting this roof to be exposed. So we are still biased to upside on NZD USD, guys. Do trade well on NZD USD. Okay. Then we go to our next pair. Our next pair will be Aussie USD. Right. Also on Aussie USD, we got our trades perfectly. Okay. There was a trade here. There was a trade below here. Okay. This was our buy zone. Then we had our buy went accordingly. So what next now? If you're in buy to manage your trade well, we'll be expecting this to continue upside, or you can come and take the floor, then upside again. Okay. So this should complete first, then we'll update you again if you are expecting a drop or not. Okay. But we'll be seeing if the market's going to give us a bigger correction here, then we'll take that buy. Okay. So what you need to do now, I'm not advising for you to take the buy here. It's kind of risky. Okay. So we'll be expecting a correction here or a reversal pattern. Okay. Impulse correction, then you can take the drop. So we'll be seeing if you are going to get that drop. Let's go to a bigger time frame and see if how the structure is behaving. Okay. Right. At the current state, we'll be expecting this to be exposed, then impulse here, a correction, then see if we're going to expose again this flow. Okay. So from here, we'll be looking for our drops here, guys. We'll be looking for our drops. So do trade with care on Aussie dollar. Okay. Then go to a next pair that will be dollar CAD. Right. On dollar CAD, we are not in this trade. Okay. Because we are expecting the price to correct here, drop, or if you remember our outlook on Sunday, or expect an impasse, a correction, then upside. Okay. So how are you going to look at this trade? Watch closely this zone to be a support. Okay. This can be your support. Then we'll be looking for that buy. So where are we taking that buy, guys? Where are we taking that buy? Let me show you something. There's a good buy that is coming on dollar CAD, okay? There's a good buy that we are seeing on dollar CAD. This can be your trade on dollar CAD, okay? If you take this trade from here, from this low, because we got the touch here, we've got the touch here, we've got the touch here, okay? The market has touched here again. So here we'll be watching our buy setups only. So this will be your big trade. Don't miss the dollar CAD trade, guys, okay? Don't miss it. It's coming. So do trade with care on dollar CAD, guys. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be dollar chief, okay? Or dollar yen. On dollar yen, there were short buys that were in this market, okay? But we are not interested on those buys because we're expecting a big drop. We don't want to miss the drop that is coming. Let me show you the drop that we are expecting, guys, okay? We don't want to miss that drop. Let's go to a daily time frame. Don't want to miss that drop, guys. You can take those short buys, but the drop is coming. We'll be watching closely how the market is going to react from this roof, okay? We can have this roof to happen, then a big drop that is going to come from this impulse. The same impulse you can get there, okay? Then we'll be looking if the price is going to give us an impulse, a bigger impulse now, okay? So here, if I can break it out to you, how we're going to look at this. This can break and make a new roof, okay? Come and take this roof, then a reversal pattern, like a running flag, a continuous pattern, okay? To give us this impulse here, okay? So we'll be watching closely if we're going to get that buy. If that buy is going to come, guys, then expect this to be respected. This zone of us, it should be break on, then a retest above, then a break, come and take or expose this roof, okay? Then expect this drop for us to get that running flag, then an up move again, okay? That is our first pattern that we are looking for. The other pattern that we are looking for is for this drop, okay? For us to get this 1, 2, 3 pattern, okay? Because we have the 1, 2, 3 inside here. 1, 2, 3, okay? This is our flag for us to go down. Then an up move. Again, come and take this roof, okay? This is our second pattern that we are looking at, okay? Then our third one will be this one, come and take, yeah? Bring this up move, then a down move again, then an up move. This can stay here for a longer term, okay? Our beam wave can be a complex one, okay? Before we get the drop here. So this is our big running flag that is going to be a complex pattern, okay? So let's go back to how we're going to trade a dollar yen on lower time frames, guys, okay? Because this is an update for you to see when you're going to take the trades. I'll advise for you guys not to take any trades on dollar yen, but if you are going to manage it, you can take this buy, okay? The breakout here, you can take that buy, then watch this to be exposed, okay? Watch that to be exposed, guys. We'll be looking at that buy to be exposed. So anytime soon, the market can reverse from there, okay? It can reverse, guys. It can reverse and give you a big drop. So if you're going to focus on this short buys that you're going to get here, then you're going to miss this trade, because the buy, I'll be expecting the buy to break here, come and expose this floor, then I will be expecting to take that buy. But for now, I'm not looking for any buys. I'll be watching for the drop. Okay, so do trade well on dollar yen. Okay, guys. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be dollar chief. Right, on dollar chief, what we are expecting, there's a good trade that is building here. Okay, guys, if you take or took the sell from this roof, then you should manage your trade well. Okay, we're expecting this to continue to drop. Okay, you can look for your limit from here, put your stop behind, then this is your trade that you are looking for. Okay, you don't see any buy set up at the current state. We're watching closely how the market is building here. Okay, so now it's giving us a good trade. Okay, this similar trade, giving us this similar trade, guys. So this did break up. We're expecting this to drop again, come and expose this floor. Okay, so we've got this roof here, got this touch, expecting this touch to be respected again. Okay, even here we got this touch, we got this touch to validate our pattern. Okay, then what next? If you're not going to get that sell from that trend line, right? If you're not going to get that trend, this can continue to come here. Okay, look for drops again. Okay, guys, you can look for your drops again. This is going to drop. Then if the market's going to give you one more drop here, this can be a flat pattern for you to give you an up move. Then this can be your drop. So we'll be watching closely how the dollar chief is going to behave or unfold there. Okay, so do trade with care, but at the current state, we are looking for our drops around here, around this trend line. Okay, we'll be watching closely how the market is going to unfold there. Right, then we're going to go to a dollar ZAR. Right, on dollar ZAR also it's behaving quite nicely, guys. Okay, behaving quite nicely at dollar ZAR. So how are we going to trade? Because we're looking for our drops on dollar ZAR. If you remember on our outlook, looking for setups. Okay, down setups. Right, we've got this flag, we've got another flag here, then the market broke, then 1, 2, 3, also respected our zone here. Okay, this zone was much important to dollar ZAR to respect. Okay, because if you didn't get this break here respected, we should look for our break here, retest, then we'll be looking for this to be a bigger pattern. Okay, but we've got our drops from this zone. Okay, then now what you need to do, watch closely again for this correction for you to take the drop and expose the flow. Okay, before the big buy that is coming on dollar ZAR. Let me show you the big buy that I'm talking about, and don't ever miss that buy, guys. Okay, the buy is coming on dollar ZAR. Let me go to a weekly time frame. This is our last pair that we are looking for today. Okay, this is our last pair. Let me show you this, then we'll be done today. Okay, we'll be done today. Right, we've got these touches here, this 1, 2, 3 touches. Okay, now the market is correcting on lower time frame here on daily H4 for us to take that buy. So this buy, don't miss that buy. Okay, but for us to confirm that buy, guys, we need to go to a lower time frame. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame, guys. That buy will be aggressive move, a correction, then a buy. Okay, then we'll be watching closely a pullback again for us to go up aggressively again, guys. So do trade with care on $ZAR, but for now we are looking for this for this sell to complete. Then we'll be looking closely how the market is going to react or behave around this zone. Okay, so do trade with care, guys, and I will see you Sunday. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video and comment below, guys. Okay, if you need us to give you the videos or updates every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Okay, I will see you in the comments below. That will push us to give you those videos. Okay, right. Remember, trade with care and let's learn together. Thank you, guys.